Hey guys, this is an update on the FPV joystick project that I started a while ago. And this is the one where I modify the joystick using an Arduino and hook it up to a radio using the trainer port. So I've been doing a bit of work on it lately and I've simplified the setup and I've cleaned the source code up a bit too. I've added a wiring diagram and some detailed instructions. I've been asked a lot of questions since I first uploaded a little video about this. So I'm going to start working on a full-length instruction video and make it nice and easy for you guys to build one of these yourself.